Hello everybody and welcome to another vlog. This is going to be the Schmaz version. It's me, Pierre and SHaron, and today we are in Valletta. So, and we are in front of the famous Tritoni fountain. There's like a small Christmas village we're going to visit, and we're going to see a little bit the lights of this area. Hopefully we go even on the big wheel, because we are not used to it. What do you think, Sharon? Yeah, tell them. What do you have to tell them? Yeah. Ho, ho, ho.
I'm not the Christmas.
Look what I had to wear because of her. So let's start. Yeah. Now we are going on the big wheel, which is called Rudolph's Big Wheel. Nice. Look at the atmosphere here. The Stritoni. Whoops. Where we are going now?
On the
Rudolph's Big Wheel. So let's go. Let's follow her. Sharon is running in front. It's nice, eh? Look at the view, how beautiful it is, eh? From here, from the naughty elf. Is it true, Sharon? Yeah? The naughty elf?
Of course.
Nice, eh? Look at the view from here, how beautiful it is. There's a lot of wind there, look. And this is the Ferrous wheel. Nice, eh? Here. Look at the view from here. And you can see the port from here. Where, Sharon? Even from here, look here. She's right, Ara. How nice it is, Ara. With the skyline of the... Wow, 6 degrees is even better, eh? Nice, eh? Well, now we are sitting on one side, and as you can imagine with me, it's tipped to going back.
Oh my God.
Oh my God, oh. Even here is nice, Ara. Look, Sharon. I go to the other side. Even here, how nice it is.
You can see Phoenicia from the back.
Yes, yes. And even this road is nice, Ara. We go, Sharon, Ara. But this here is very nice, eh? And we are nearly down. How beautiful these are. Look at the beach here. You can buy food wherever you want here. The beach. We're going to take photo of Sharon. Okay, madam, you ready? Yeah, today she's feeling adventurous, eh? The big wheel, now we have the giant teddy bear, and now we are going to see the carousel, which is up here. It's supposed to be on diet, but Sharon bought because it's Christmas, she's saying. And what I have to eat it?
It's a candy.
I take the small one, or no?
Yes, I'm going to give you the small piece. And I get...
By the way, from last Saturday, we have to start wearing the mask again. So in the vlogs, you start seeing me with this mask on there. You're eating? Oh yes, you can.
Yes.
Okay. My Sharon now, she's on the carousel, Lara. Hopefully we'll see her soon. Have to say that the carousel is a classic and it's beautiful, eh? With all these lights. Hope the light will be good, Dara. Did you like?
I want to go again.
Hey, you have a present, huh? Now we are at the Swiss chalet, and Sharon got me some mulled wine. Mulled wine?
Mild wine.
Mild wine, mild wine. Ara, we are at the Swiss chalet, look. It's nice, huh? She didn't drink the wine yet. Imagine later. See you. Where we are going now?
We are going for the skating arena.
And we have to walk all the way to Floriana Granaries. We are moving to the Floriana area. It's nicely decorated as well with lights. Sharon is posing each time. I hope when we go trekking you do the same, eh? This is where we came and we are going on this side. Sharon, she's still taking her candy, Christmas candy. There's a lot of shops about everything. He's my brother, this one. Yeah? Hey, he's my brother. Eh? Thank you. Yes, we can. I will show you some more this jewelry here. How beautiful and refined. Amazing stuff. There's all these goods. Look, that one, huh? How nice it is. This one looks like lace. So now let's continue. These are some jewelry. So. Some more here. Look how beautiful they are. And now we have to cross the road because there's the skating park. Eh? Look at this giant Christmas tree ball. Let's get inside. Wow. Mala, let's do like this. Sharon, no. Whoops. Well, we are inside the giant.
We are in the ball.
Christmas tree ball, eh? Whew. I think here the light will be perfect, eh? Let's go. Nice, huh? Now we are going into the skating arena. This is the ice arena, skating arena.
They'll bring us some figgy pudding. They'll bring us some figgy pudding and bring it out here. The tidings we bring to you.
I'm going to catch the ducks, eh? I'm going to catch the ducks. Okay.
Thank you.
Nothing, madam. We didn't win. I know it's dark, but we are entering City Gate. Eh? This was done by Renzo Piano. So now, this is our parliament by Renzo Piano. It's beautiful. And here is the best Christmas tree we find. Here it's beautiful. Eh? This is Republic Street. Oh? So we'll see some nice lights as well up there. Beautiful, this is the old theater. Some live music. And we start encountering some cafes. Here we meet these guys here.
Hi, happy New Year.
What are you doing here? What are you doing here?
I'm scaring the kids. When I'm trying to wish them a Merry Christmas.
Oh, this is the traditional crib. And then if we go on this side, you can see Doing George and two children, and still resembles the Maltese crib, Maltese version of the crib. Where are we going, Sharon, now? To eat something? So normally when I say eat something to my viewers means ftira and the cheese,
But today, no. Christmas time.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, that's for summer.
Here one can see the presidential palace with the slideshow on it. It's beautiful. Every year is different. It's very nice, huh? Let me show you. And now we're going to eat something there. Those very interesting here. But let's go up there. Over here, there's the light show. It's nice, huh? So now we have our food. We have our wine. What is it? Cheers.
Some red wine for
Happy
tonight.
Christmas and Happy New Year. Thanks for all the support you gave us this year.
Good tidings we bring to you.